Get into the 2018 Volkswagen Golf GTI. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Make exhilaration part of your daily drive with this high-performing Golf GTI. Thrilling acceleration and crisp handling set this well-equipped, family-friendly hatchback apart from the competition. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated mirrors, backup camera, leather steering wheel, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system. Don't miss out on the driving pleasure you crave. Get into this Golf GTI. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.